is spirituality to me?
Today I'm going to be talking about spirituality. I don't know what spirituality is.
Spirituality is
On spirituality.
Spirituality for me.
spirituality.
What spirituality means to me.
Seriously, yaar, I have no idea what spirituality is.
Namaste guys and welcome back to Inara. Firstly, here's wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and may the light of Lord shine through your lives with a lot of love, peace, harmony and prosperity and of course good health. And today's content, as you can make out from my smile and the first few seconds of the video, is very exciting. This was actually suggested to me by one of my good friends, Soumya, and she thought it would be a good idea to bring people together and get their views on what spirituality means to them. And this beautifully blends in with my content for my second episode, wherein I had spoken about how some people are spiritual but they don't know yet. So I would just like to say that, trust me, some of these people are very camera shy and they have done this only for me. So I would like to thank all of them from the bottom of my heart. I know that you guys were all very busy and you have taken time out only to do this for me. So I thank all of you, and I'm sure at the end of this video you will not only leave with a smile but also a lot to think about. So let's dive in.
Hello everyone, hi Poonam. Thank you for allowing me to share my views on your channel. Spirituality. For me, spirituality is connecting with my inner self, basically focusing on my feelings, emotions and my actions. I personally believe that we should not suppress our natural feelings, whether they are good or bad, especially the bad ones. They are the ones which require our immediate attention. They could be like anything from fear to self-worth issues and so on. So basically try to find out the root cause, what is causing this negativity in you. Try to face them, try to fight them, and if you feel nothing is really working, the best thing you can do is stop giving them any importance. The more successfully you do this, the less stressful you will feel, and I'm sure the negative feelings and emotions attached to these will also subside with time. See, basically we cannot control our feelings and emotions sometimes. So the best what we can do is, and what is there in our control, is how we deal with them, how we respond to them, how we react. Our own actions are definitely in our hand. So I personally feel, deal with your negative emotions at the earliest, because they will otherwise accumulate and surface like a violent volcano. So we should address them at the earliest. And once you get this balance of managing your emotions and actions, somewhere down the line you will have an awakening within you. And knowingly or unknowingly, you will definitely be walking the path of spirituality. The positivity that you will generate will not only be good for yourself, but also for people around you and also for the environment you are living in. So spread the positive vibes, and whether you will become spiritual or no, you will definitely be creating a better version of yourself.
Hi, my name is Anish. First of all, thanks to Poonam for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words about what spirituality means to me. To me personally, it's all about the connection with God. Like, be it in a religious place or be it in my own space, when I just close my eyes and I just try to talk with God about the things which I want to share. So that's what I get connected with spirituality. And as said rightly in the video, it's not out of necessity that we should follow a religion or we should pray to God. It's all about the love that we should have for the religion, or we should have towards the God, towards our Creator, that we should ensure and we should take forward.
Hi Poonam, how are you? Hope everything is well. seriously, yaar, I have no idea what spirituality is. I'm just trying to figure spirituality through your channel and through your videos, and I don't know what to tell you, seriously. Hopefully you are forcing me to do this. I'm doing this, and just one thing I can tell you is I love helping people, and if that's spirituality, then consider it is. And if this is making you happy, consider that is spirituality as well. Thank you.
Hi guys, Eklavya here, and today I'm going to be talking about spirituality. I don't know what spirituality means, but if other people are happy because of me, I am happy. And spirituality means that when I'm happy, it brings me, if God gives me happiness, I'll be happy. If others are happy, I'll be happy also. And happiness is the love of other people. I do about other people is mainly three things. One thing is that I give laban to the workers who are working in the hot sun, and second, I feed street animals. I feed street animals on the road with my mom, and the third is if anyone is bullying my friends in the class, I would stand up for my friends and protect my friends from the bullies. Okay, bye.
Hello Poonam, thank you for choosing me to give some views on spirituality. And according to me, spirituality means which gives good vibes to you, good happiness to you, which makes you feel happy inside, not just on the face or which other can see. It's the thing which you feel good from inside, and if you feel good from inside, I'm sure you will make others also happy. And for me, to connect with the nature is the best thing which we can do. Means it won't require too much thing or like that. You have to just sit and just view what is around you, and it gives you good things, good vibes. If you get good vibes, it will be good for you, and what is good for you, it will make others also happy. And the happiness is the thing which is not purchased or you can get it anywhere. It's like if you feel happy, then only you can make others happy. Thank you, Poonam.
Hi everyone. First of all, thank you Poonam for letting me share my ideas. Spirituality is basically a very huge concept, but to put it up in very few words, spirituality is being connected to something that is bigger than you, connecting to nature, and most importantly, connecting to yourself. So spirituality for me is finding peace, which you can only find it in yourself. So this is what all I understand about spirituality. Thank you so much.
First thing first, thank you so much for thinking that my inputs are valuable to your channel. And a small disclaimer that the views and learnings are mine and mine alone. So what is spirituality to me? I think it's a series of experiences which allow a person to become a more compassionate version of himself or herself, especially to himself or herself. And for me, it has also been the entire process of relinquishing fear, anger, control, stubbornness, anxiety and force over actions and thoughts, and letting my instinct take over. And I also don't think spirituality is an awakening or an attainment. Rather, it's an understanding of your core self and showing it respect, and also finding a balance between practicality and impulse. Uh, what I would like to tell everyone is it's best to nurture what the universe has made you with, be it your inner child, your talent, your wealth, your health, your compassion. And let's just put it in a nutshell. Simply put, spirituality is putting the voice and choice of your soul first and taking cues from these in every aspect of your life, be it professional or personal. Thank you.
Spirituality for me is when I do something that has a real meaning, leads me to my true self and a better version of myself. Like when I'm in contact with my God in my prayers and du'as. Another way is when I'm in contact with nature like sea or any peaceful place surrounded by trees where the sound of nature can be heard. The last thing is when I help others and become a reason of their happiness. This is the meaning of the spirituality for me and practice. Thank you so much.
Wow, what a lovely exchange of thoughts. Wouldn't the world be a much better place if we had more people like this, for whom the basic understanding of spirituality is helping other people, being fair, standing up for someone who is weak, appreciating people. So I hope this video has made you think, and I would once again like to thank each and every one of my participants for coming out of their comfort zone and doing this for me. You guys are amazing, and thank you so much, and God bless you. And yes, I'm leaving you with these thoughts, and this is the key to spirituality. Simple belief that you can make a difference to somebody else's happiness. Till we meet again, love and light.